Okay, so which side lengths form a right triangle? So this is what we have to do. So we got to look at, these are the three side lengths. Okay, this is the bigger one. So with a length of 6, so we put the length of 6 equal to 6. And the other two, we're going to add them. Okay, because those are the two smaller ones. Same thing with here. This is going to be equal to 17, because 17 is the bigger one. But don't forget to square them also. So it's going to be 8 square plus 15 square. Alright. Now we have these here. Okay, of course, this is going to be equal to root 50 square. So this will be 5 square plus 5 square equals root 50 squared. Alright, so let's kind of work these out. So 3 squared is 9. Root 27 squared is 27. And 6 squared is 36. Now if we add these two together, 9 plus 27 is 36. Okay, equals 36. So A checks out. A forms a right triangle. Okay, because they're equal. Now let's check B. We have to also check B here. 64. Okay. 15 squared is 225. And 17 squared is 289. Okay, so now we have to kind of add these together, right? Which gives you 289 is equal to 289. So B also checks out. And then the last one, which is 25 plus 25, right? Because 5 squared is 25, 5 squared is 25. Square root 50 squared is also 25. So that's, I mean, it's 50, sorry, 50. So that means this is 50 equals 50. So all A, B, and C creates a right triangle.